Hi and good day. In this tutorial today, we would like to see how to interface Maker Nano RP2040 with Maker Drive to control DC motor. For this tutorial, you will need a Maker Nano RP2040, a Maker Drive, 2 DC micrometal gear motor, and few jumper wire. I have mounted the component on a base which I have 3D printed for line following robot. The connection between the Maker Nano RP2040 and Maker Drive is pretty straightforward and can be done as shown. Once the hardware is ready, now we can start to code. For this tutorial purpose, I have used the sample code from Cytron which can be downloaded through Arduino Library Manager. Next, we need to make the necessary changes on the pin setting before we can upload the code. Once we are done, we can now download the code to Maker Nano RP2040. In this demo, the motor will turn forward and reverse at different speed. Till we meet in our next tutorial, thank you and bye-bye.